Hi, my name is Jason. I'm a 28-year master electrician and a service electrician here at Peaden. And today we're going to talk to you about the three different types of outlets and where you can find them in your home. A GFI, a standard, and a USB. Let's get started. All right, since we're in the kitchen, let's go ahead and start with a GFCI outlet. Now, sometimes you'll hear these called a GFI outlet. It's the same thing. This handy dandy little guy right here, they've been around about 35, 40 years. And you're going to want these in wet locations. So that's going to be your bathrooms, kitchens, laundry room behind the washing machine, outside, or in the garage. You know it's a GFI outlet because you have a test button and a reset button. You can press the test button and it shuts it off. You press the reset button and it turns it right back on. Good thing about it is it's here to protect you and your equipment from getting messed up in the event that it comes in contact with water. So what I've got here is a tester, and when I push the button, it turns it off. And what that does is it kills the power to this receptacle and every other receptacle that's attached to it on the circuit. And then it's an easily reset by just pushing that button. That's how you know that this is working. Now, another good thing about these, they go in real easy. We have them rated for 20 amps or 15 amps depending on what you have in your kitchen. Yet another good thing is if you don't want to change your devices in your kitchen and you have standard devices, we can easily go right to the panel and replace it with a GFI breaker. They can be used together or separately. It just gives you a little bit more protection if you use them together. A lot of times that can be very cost effective for you, the customer. So this is our standard outlets. You're going to find these in the common areas of your home. Bedrooms, living rooms, places like that. Current code on these is they have to be tamper resistant. That just keeps little kids from putting stuff in there or things from accidentally getting put into it and someone getting hurt. They're easy to change out and relatively quick to change out as well. So while we're right here at the standard receptacle, a lot of times I get asked the question about how hard is it to put in a USB receptacle? They're super simple. We take the cover off, pull the old device out, and we put in this new one with a new cover plate. Good thing about this is you've got room for two regular cords. You also have room for two different types of USBs. You have your USB-C and a USB-A. So you can plug in all your devices. iPhones, laptops, Android phones, they all get charged from this because you're not going to have to worry about carrying around a little block anymore. That little block only has about 3.1 amps of charging ability. This little guy right here has got 4.2 amps. It's going to charge all your heavier load stuff, and it's going to charge your phone faster. Great place for these is going to be by your favorite reading chair, by the couch, anywhere you're going to charge your devices. I put one in the kitchen in my house so I can watch my cooking videos while I'm cooking by the stove. These also go real well by the bed. So I was glad you were here with me today. Glad we got to talk about the three different types of receptacles and where you can find them in your home. USB, GFI, and standard. And we look forward to helping you out in the next video.